visiting the national winner from Bergerac. We are here by top fancier Yuri de Blanc from Ronce. Yuri won already his second national victory. A few years ago he won the first national from Libourne. Now he's winning with a top cock, a blue cock. Ring number is B23 4081634. This cock was raced on Widowwood. You can open the wings, Yuri. Yes, thank you. And the distance from Bergerac to Ronce is 704 kilometers. He made a velocity, this winner, of 1,137 meters per minute. And with that velocity, he beat the 3,180 airborns. Top performance, winning the first national from Bergerac.